Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and today I'm doing a video for, guess what? A missed YouTube hop. Story of my life at the moment. Anyway, family always comes first, life always comes first. Scrapping and making videos comes second, unfortunately. So anyway, I'm still going to do it and add it to the playlist, so it doesn't really matter. It's just like 7 hours or so late. Who cares? Anyway, right, so I'm using a sketch today that I cannot share with you. It's going to be a Patreon exclusive, so if you want to see the sketch and use the sketch, head over to my Patreon and join as a member. Right, so the theme of this YouTube hop is out all night. So I scratched my head for a while thinking, what on earth am I going to do? And then I remembered some photos which I can't share when I was in my uni days, and I was staying on the campus, and our dorm one night decided it would be a really cool idea to hop on the train that runs from Bathurst to Sydney overnight. It was called the Midnight Rattler, hence the title. And yeah, we went to Pancakes at the Rocks for breakfast, jumped on the train and headed back to campus. So that was yeah, that was fun. Such great days. Anyway, so I have the heading already cut out, and then I have my placeholders for my photos. I have a few embellishments to the side, not sure what I'm using yet, but I do know I'm using this retired stamp set called Let the Good Times Roll, and I didn't think I'd ever be able to use this again. My kids are way past this age for birthday parties and stuff, and I don't see grandkids anywhere in the next 20 years, so I thought, when am I ever going to use this? And I thought, well, that's a train track, so how cool would that be? Well, I could use it as a train track. It's meant to be like a what's it called, roller coaster. I went, hey, I'm going to make it a railroad track going up and down the mountains, because it's quite hilly between Sydney and Bathurst. And I thought, well, that would be perfect. That's my train track, and these are my train cars. Got to use a bit of imagination, but I'm going to make it work. Alright, so anyway, that's what I'm doing, and I'll be back at the end to have a chat. So let's get to it. Okay, there is the layout. Nice and simple. My journaling is going down here. Now I did have a problem with this stamp. It seems to have been affected somehow by storage or heat or something. And in the middle of it, when I hold it like this, I can see a dip in the middle. So there is no way that was going to stamp, no matter how hard I press, because this is a hard surface. So I had to put a sponge mat underneath and line it up again. I didn't do a great job of lining it up, but unless it's pointed out, you probably don't notice. And then had to stamp again over the middle to get that complete image, because there was actually a spot left in the middle, totally uninked. So then I used the mat under this side and didn't have to do it a second time because I had the mat under there. So the heading, if you're interested, I've used the Alphabet a la Mode dies, and I could have used stickers or anything in my stash, but I could guarantee I would not have a set that's got all the letters that I needed, because there's like 4 T's and multiple I's, multiple R's, multiple T's. Yeah, it just wasn't going to happen. So that's why I used a die to cut out the letters. And the N, I think, is upside down. But anyway, it still looks like an N to me, so it works. And I hope I haven't spelt a word wrong, because there's no way they're coming back up. Yeah, so keeping it simple. Like I said, my journaling is going down there, and I want the photos to be the main focus. And I can't share the photos because I don't have permission from the people in them. I lost contact with them all. We're talking 1985 now. So yeah, it was a long time ago. Alright, so if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that notify bell so you know when my next video is coming out. And I will link the playlist below for everyone who is playing along in the hop, even though I am really late putting mine up. But still go ahead and check out what everyone else did. I'm sure they were all on time. Yeah, so like I said, if you've enjoyed this, like and subscribe. Hit that notify bell. And I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.